Alright, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while. So I'm trying to catch up with more videos. I know I just recently posted the song Slide and Bop that is almost to 400 views. Yay. But today it is going to be a wig install that I'm going to be coming to you guys with, because I have not posted a wig install in forever. And I've gotten better, so I wanted to show you guys how I do now from way back then when I was first starting to do my hair. Stay tuned. Y'all see this. A Burgundy 99J. I'm about to install that in about probably right now. I am trying to record on TikTok and YouTube, so please don't mind me, because I got a lot going on, but we're gonna get through it. Okay, so I'm trying to see, because I have my phone up right here, and then I'm trying to record on this phone too, my install video. Alright, y'all, so the first part of this process, I already had a cap out. Where did it go? Well, I got 10,000 of these. The first part of this process, y'all know what it is. I put my cap on. I'm trying my best to multitask. It might be a little hard because I have my little phone stand right here, and I don't have no smaller tripod. I'm trying to get one. I think I have one on the way, the one that you like moves with you. So yeah, y'all really have to look at my straight back. Look at my hair. I'm not about to do my hair though. I am about to do my hair, but I'm not about to mess with my real hair. And don't mind my burn mark. I got burn. Yes, I got burn trying to curl my mom's hair for her. But it's cool. So you put that cap on there, and make sure you put it all the way down past like right here. I'm trying to make sure my edges don't get caught in this cap, because then that's gonna be bad. But you put that cap on, you make sure that cap is on there. And y'all, my TikTok done seen this part about 1,000 times. I know I'm trying to put my phone right here, but it won't stand up, and then it only show like half of my body. But you put that cap on there, and then now I got to find my Ruby Kiss foundation. Give me a second, y'all. It took me forever to find this. It took me so long to find this. Like what? So I used the number 10 with Ruby Kisses. Y'all see that blend? It's looking good. I'm about to put makeup on the wig as well, because I got this color. It's called it's something for the wig, y'all. I'm not a hairstylist. I just like doing my wigs, but it's something for the wigs to make like the color, like the main part of the color go away. I think you're supposed to bleach it after. I did bleach it a little bit, but I didn't bleach it too much, because I don't really like bleaching my colored wigs at all. I feel like it messes them up. I just do. Sometimes when you over bleach colored wigs, they don't look right. So I'm just about to put some makeup on the cap. You feel me? I should have just got some lace tint. That would have been a little easier, like the spray, but it's cool. We got makeup too. So what you do is you get that whole cap, like that whole part of that cap. You get that brown, okay? You get that super duper brown. Huh? Yeah, you put your shirt on. Okay, you put that. You get that brown. Make sure that cap is brown, because it gotta blend in with your skin. You feel me? You gotta look like it's the scalp. Y'all, I really wanted to do my makeup for this video. I just did, but I got places to be in. I already got ready late. Like, I got ready so late. I had to do some promotions on some outfits, and it made me just delay. So that's why I'm coming at y'all a little late. And I'm trying to get more YouTube videos and more YouTube content, because I don't be on there like that anymore. So yeah, and then you got your glue, and I'm gonna put my glue on the hairline. So I just got done cutting this cap, because you want to make sure your cap is cut the way you want it to be. Y'all, I have not did this on YouTube in so long, so y'all gotta excuse me. I'm so used to like TikTok content. Okay, I hope all that hair don't come out like that, 'cause I kind of cut it a lot. Okay, so I got my cap looking good. It's looking great. So now I'm about to measure the wig to make sure it fits right. Alright, y'all, so I am measuring the wig to see how it look on my head. Is it fitting? Where's it at? Y'all, look at this. I cannot. So y'all remember when I said, hold on, let me be back, I gotta cut my lace? I had to cut some of that, like, but y'all look at this. It looks so good. It's blending in so lovely with my skin. I'm loving it. I cannot wait to lay this down. Give me a quick sec, because I gotta put the glue on there and I gotta lay this down, okay? I'm gonna be back with y'all. I know it's been like skits with this video, but I gotta post it on TikTok too. But yeah, I'm gonna show y'all like how it looks when I get done. Alright, y'all, so I'm waiting on this glue to dry, and I'm pretty much just, like I said, I'm gonna show y'all how it looks when I get done. It's gonna be really cute, so just stay tuned. So I hope y'all know I did not forget about y'all. Like, look at this lace. I melted it so good, y'all. So I did lay the band. I be trying to be like EK band for an hour, but I cannot. I laid it for like 20 minutes. So that's about it, but it's still gonna be cute. I mean, I'm gonna probably put it back on there for a little longer before I cut the lace all the way, but it is about to be cute, so stay tuned. By the way, the hair is from Tuneful Hair. Link is going to be in the description below. Do not forget the link. If you're going to watch the video, please do not forget the link. It's going to be in the description below. So stay on the lookout for that. I know y'all probably like, girl, when is this girl ever going to shave her stash? I do. I get it off. Oh my God, I got glue all under my eye. I do. I cut it all the time. It just grows back. Ain't nothing I could do about it. I got that good hair. That good. Anyways, y'all need to get into this lace. I'm gonna start cutting it. I'm gonna cut it. Yeah, I'm about to start cutting it. I hate cutting the lace. I do. But I know it's gonna be cute. I know it's gonna be cute. Stay tuned.
Another day, another slay. Period.
I'm just loving this hair. I am already. Like, I ain't even done installing it and I'm already loving this hair. And just like that. Just like that. That is how you slay some motherfucking hair. Y'all see that? Y'all see that? Y'all see all of that? I slayed the dollhouse. I slayed the doll, which is me. I'm the doll. I slayed myself, and it's only getting better. Swoop them edges over there. Y'all see me? I look good. Okay, I look good.